Welcome to the Ultimate Food Showdown, mushrooms versus meat. Today, we're diving deep into the world of plant-based foods, specifically focusing on how mushrooms stack up against traditional meat. With the rise of plant-based eating, mushrooms have emerged as a popular and versatile meat substitute. In this video, we'll conduct blind taste tests, cook side-by-side recipes, and crown a winner. Get ready for some delicious discoveries. First up, the blind taste test. Can you tell the difference between mushroom-based meat and actual meat? We're preparing both the mushroom-based meat and real meat using identical seasonings and cooking methods. Let's examine the texture and capture some initial flavor notes before the big reveal. The reactions are in. Some surprising comparisons and definite preferences are emerging. Now, for the recipe challenge. We'll see how these two ingredients perform in a full dish. We've chosen a popular, versatile recipe that allows both mushroom and meat versions to shine. Watch as we cook the mushroom and meat dishes side by side, ensuring fair comparison. The cooked dishes are ready. Visually, they both look incredibly appealing. Can you guess which is which? It's time for the moment of truth, the final tasting and comparison. Tasting the cooked dishes reveals even more about their individual characteristics and how they integrate with the recipe. We're breaking down the flavor profiles and texture experiences of both the mushroom and meat versions in detail. Beyond taste, we're comparing the health benefits of mushrooms versus meat, offering a holistic perspective. After careful consideration, the results are in. Find out which ingredient takes the crown in our challenge. That wraps up our epic mushrooms versus meat taste test and recipe challenge. We've explored the textures, flavors, and versatility of both options, revealing some fascinating insights. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just curious, we encourage you to experiment with plant-based alternatives like mushrooms. If you enjoyed this experiment, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more plant-based content.